Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, it's Kevin with Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm finna see what Derek talking about with this chicken sandwich. You know what I'm saying? With this chicken and waffle chicken sandwich from Hardee's. It's called Hardee's here. Y'all call Junior's there, whatever it's called. But it's Hardee's here. I'm getting ready to buy me one. I already ordered it. So I'm finna pick it up in a second. But I'm finna buy me one. I'm finna test this sandwich. Because Derek acted like a clown when he was eating his. He was like, it's so delicious. So we get ready to see. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, first of all, y'all, my name is Kevin. My channel name is Pickin in the Hood too. You know, you can check my videos out if you want to. If not, then, you know, whatever. Check someone else's out. Check theirs out. They got a show called Hump Day Hookup. It's on Wednesday. Him and Regina Renee. Also, you can watch Buffalo Pickers with Glass City on Friday nights. Defend the Hustle. I'll be on their show at the end of every month. The last Friday of every month, I'll be on their show. Anyway, y'all, I pick at thrift stores, garage sales, picking up aluminum cans, dumpster diving, whatever it takes to make some cash, I do. So I just want to get that out the way. You guys can subscribe if you want to. If not, then whatever. I just left a Goodwill. I paid $65 for probably about, I want to say about in between $550 and $600 worth of stuff. I got some bolos for y'all. You know, it's coming up because I always pick up some certain items. I always pick up, you know, they bread and butter items that I pick up, and they worth for a little money, but I pay $1, $2 for them. Hold on a minute, y'all. Hey, young lady. 603. Thank you. We finna get down to this chicken sandwich that Derek was bragging on. You know what I'm saying? We finna see. I'm a connoisseur of food. I know good food. We getting ready to check this out. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, young lady. Water with no ice, yes. Thank you. Yeah. I just bought 4 comic books for $1 a piece. I'm disappointed in the price though. Thank you, young lady. You too. I'm disappointed in the price though, because none of them worth over $10. So I think I'm gonna give those away. I'm keeping the one. It's one comic book that I didn't know about. I saw it on when I was doing research for my other comic books. I saw it, but I never thought I'd get one. Barack Obama Spider-Man. Yeah, I'm keeping that one probably. But other than that, you know, the rest of them are for sale. So let's check this sandwich out, y'all. I'm gonna pull over right quick. We finna see how delicious this sandwich is. Let me pull over right quick. Okay, y'all. There go Hardee's in the background if y'all want to see it. Since y'all want some evidence that I'm really here. We put my cash up. Woo, we finna taste this sandwich. Let's see how delicious this thing is. There go the bag. Y'all know how a bag look. The sandwich is kind of small. You know, it ain't that big. It ain't dripping with syrup like his was. It ain't dripping at all. It's kind of small. See it? Matter of fact, it's a little hot. But they got a little drip of syrup on here. See? It ain't that much. Hold on, y'all. It ain't that much syrup. He said his was running off. We finna take that first bite, y'all. Okay. I was add some more syrup though. It's okay. It's all right. We'll take another bite to make sure. I don't know what that is, but it's hard. Big D, you was right. It's pretty good. I just don't have enough syrup. So I had to taste it for myself. Big D was right. It is delicious. So it's Kevin from St. Louis, from Pickin in the Hood too. I agree with Derek. This sandwich is delicious. Peace.